Okay, we are on Carrier Infinity system, and what we did here was we had taken out a Geo. Here are the Geo lines, and he had a geothermal heat pump in here, and he had taken it out to put the Carrier Infinity modulating and 5-stage heat pump in. Called me up today saying they don't have any readout on the screen. This is a TN furnace. Thought it was a modulating. So no readout on the screen. Power's on. Maybe it's door switch. It's a damn door switch. It had no light right there, I don't think. It looks like it's buggered up. Oh, there's no light down here. And a little dust on it. Let's see. Is that freaking thing on? No. Thought I heard it click. I think the door switch is making. See, I can see the light now. Huh. Door switch isn't making. What the heck? Right there, it's not making. So let me get some foam tape. I'm gonna foam tape this up, and looks like this is bent. Bend that out a little. Let me go grab some foam tape. There's no light here. Absolutely no light. Absolute. Oh shit. There we go. And 2 should do right there. Make sure that door switch makes. Let's try it again. Oh man. we go, we got a light. Damn door switch. Check the filter while I'm here. This probably hasn't been changed because it looks like maybe it did. Let's check. Oh, she needs a change. Old house, not much room in the basement. Does he have a filter around here? Does he have a filter? It doesn't look like it. Let me go grab one out of the truck. Alright, let's go out here. Get it on my head here. Ugh. So, all it was is a door switch, got the filter changed. I'm coming out here to look at the heat pump. So I don't know if you've had it cleaned. Oh, it's nice and clean. Nice and clean. Looks like someone hit it. Oh, jeez. It shifted. When we put this in 2018. But it's not going to run now because we're up too many degrees. We're up, I don't know, it's 63 in the house and it's calling for 69, so it's going into gas heat first to get it up. But while I'm here, I'm just gonna throw it in heat pump mode, do a test on it. Run it in heat pump mode for a few minutes, get it through its stages. And we will come in here to menu, hold service. Oh, let me do this. Disable, okay. No, didn't hold it long enough. Come on. There we go. Check out, heat pump. Come on, heat pump, heat pump, heat pump. Heat pump check. Stage 5, no defrost. I'll just stage her right on up. Let's see, where are we at? Yeah, we're in 5th stage, compressor, RPMs. Coil temperature 41, suction pressure 82. Half-inch static. Oh yeah, nice and warm. Nice and warm. Okay, so the heat pump's running. We're gonna hit stop. We're gonna hit done. And see, we're set to 70. 65 in the house. We're good to go. Well, that was a dumb service call, but it happens. There's nothing you can do. That I just adjusted that, or bent the metal out on the, what do you want to call it? I don't know. We just bent the metal out, adjusted the door switch, put a little foam tape on there, and it's good to go. But that's it for this one. It's just a stupid door switch. But what are you gonna do? You know, I thought it was really odd because we installed this in 2018. Took out the Geo in 2018, installed this, and it's been running for 18. 2 winters on it already. This is going to be the 3rd winter on it, I think. Yeah, 3rd winter. He's got no complaints, and he says it's almost the same price as the Geo. A little more than the Geo to pay for, but a lot less hassle. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one.